Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add email subscription to Wix or pop-up email subscriptions. So let's go to the Wix editor page. Then you'll find here plus icon on top left corner. Click on this add elements, and then you'll find here interactive. This one interactive. Then you can see here pop-ups. Welcome, subscribe, promotion, and contact. Click on subscribe one, and you can see the template pop-up templates here. You can choose any one of them. I'm choosing the second one, so just click on this and it will be here like this, and then you have to wait for some seconds to continue this. It is adjusting with the page. Now you can see here the get the latest box in your web inbox. You can write your business name like subscribe my channel. Okay, now you can see here your email address. You have to write your email address here and then sign up. So you have to just choose this and you set the trigger. Set trigger, click on yes, and then choose page, in which page you want to do it. I'm choosing drop down 1 or drop down 2. Okay, now you can cross this one and scroll down how many delay. You can make it 5 seconds or 6 seconds, and here you can see how does pop-up close, X icon or the close button. I'm choosing the X icon, so click on a cross or X icon, and you can see here your pop-up box is ready. Now you can here form setting, you can add new field, you can edit according to your need. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.